Hello students, in last video we learn about atomic mass, then average atomic mass. The atomic mass of element is due to the fundamental or subatomic particles present inside the atoms, that is proton, neutron and electrons, while the average atomic mass is due to the presence of isotopes for the elements. For example, hydrogen has three different isotopes: hydrogen 1,1, hydrogen 1,2 and hydrogen 1,3. Hence, here average atomic mass concept is essential. This average atomic mass is nothing but it is the average of atomic masses of all isotopes present in the nature. Today we learn about the molecular mass, formula mass and molar mass. A molecular mass, for example, H2O is a molecule. It contains 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atoms, while ammonia contains 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen atoms. The sum of average atomic masses of all these elements present in a molecule is known as a molecular mass. Okay? Hence, a molecular mass can be defined as the sum of or the addition of the sum of average atomic mass of all elements present in a molecule is known as a molecular mass, or this molecular mass can be defined as another alternative definition: the sum of average atomic masses of all elements present in a molecule is known as a molecular mass, or the mass of one molecule of a substance, the mass of one molecule of a substance relative to carbon 12 atom is also known as a molecular mass. दोन डेफिनेशन आपण बघितले, त्यापैकी जी सोपी वाटेल ती डेफिनेशन तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचे. फर्स्ट वन इज व्हेरी इझी. The sum of average atomic masses of all elements present in a molecule is known as a molecular mass. For example, calculate the molecular mass of water. Hence, this molecular mass of H2O is equal to, a water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms. Hence, that is number of atoms 2 into average atomic mass of hydrogen, plus it also contains oxygen, only 1 atom of oxygen, hence number of atoms 1 into average atomic mass of oxygen. We know that average atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1, is 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 into average atomic mass of oxygen, which is equal to 16. That is 2 plus 16, which is equal to 18 unified or atomic mass unit is molecular mass of water molecule. Let us consider another example, that is calculate a molecular mass of C6H5Cl. It contains carbon, hydrogen and chlorine element. The number of atoms of carbon is 6, hydrogen is 5 and chlorine is equal to 1. Hence, number of atoms of carbon 1 into average atomic mass of a carbon plus number of atoms 6 into plus 5, that is number of atoms of hydrogen into average atomic mass of hydrogen plus number of atom of chlorine 1 into average atomic mass of chlorine. Put the value in this formula. 6 into average atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 5 into 1 plus 1 into 35.5. That is 72 plus 5 plus 35.5. Addition तुम्ही करू शकता 7, 12, 4, 7, 11, 112.5. Okay, we will discuss about another important concept, which is a formula mass. There are some substances, there are some molecules like sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, etc., etc. These molecules do not contain as a molecule as a constituent unit of a molecule. That is, there are some molecules, there are some compounds which do not contain a molecules as a constituent particle of a molecule. So, for example, a sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, there is attraction between Na plus and Cl minus. That is, cationic and anionic entities are present inside this molecule. That is, in sodium chloride, a single Na plus ion in sodium chloride. Each single one Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 another Cl minus ions and vice versa. Means a single chloride ion is again surrounded by 6 Na plus ion and therefore a crystal lattice. Here the entities present inside the molecule is cations and anions, and hence NaCl represent the formula structure for a molecule. That is, it is not a molecular formula, it represents the formula structure. And for such a molecule, instead of molecular mass, a term, a formula mass is used. This term, a formula mass, can be defined as the sum of, again same definition, the sum of average atomic masses of all atoms present inside the molecule is known as a formula mass. For example, we can consider a simple example of sodium nitrate NaNO3. Hence, a formula mass of the sodium nitrate is equal to. But keep one thing in your mind, that to calculating either formula mass or molecular mass, first of all, decide the number of elements or the type of elements present inside this formula. Here it contains sodium, nitrogen and oxygen elements. Then consider the number of atoms of each element. 1 sodium, 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen atoms. Hence, formula mass of NaNO3 is equal to number of atoms of sodium 1 into average atomic mass of sodium plus number of atoms of nitrogen 1, average atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 into average atomic mass of oxygen. Hence, 1 into 23 plus 1 into 14 average atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 into 16, that is 23 plus 14 plus 48. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 85 unified is the formula mass of sodium nitrate. By this way, we can calculate the formula mass of any given compound. ओके, आतापर्यंत आपण दोन कन्सेप्ट बघितलेत, मॉलिक्युलर मास अँड फॉर्म्युला मास. आता नवीन कन्सेप्ट आपल्याला बघायचा आहे की व्हॉट इज मीन बाय अ मोल. अ मोल इज न्यू टर्म introduced by a chemist to determine the quantity of a substance or quantity of a metal. A mole is another unit to calculate amount of substance present in a metal, and hence 1 mole can be defined as the amount of substance, the amount of a substance that contains Avogadro's number of particles. That is the amount of substance that contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particles, atoms or ions is known as a mole. 1 mole is nothing but it is the amount of substance which can contain Avogadro's number of particles, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particles. एवढे अमाउंटला collectively we can call it as a 1 mole. Then next term, a molar mass. A molar mass. This term molar mass can be defined as the molecular mass of a substance expressed in a gram. The molecular mass of a substance expressed in a gram is known as a molar mass. For example, for monoatomic element, its molar mass is equal to its average atomic mass. For polyatomic molecules, the sum of average atomic masses gives molar mass. We can consider the example of water molecules again, H2O. Here, molecular mass of H2O, water, is equal to 18 atomic mass in it. त्याला आपण डाल्टन असे म्हणू शकतो किंवा युनिफाईड असे म्हणू शकतो. This is the molecular mass. While a molar mass of H2O is equal to 18 gram. That is, a molecular mass of substance expressed in grams is known as a molar mass. The last and important terms of this chapter is a molar volume. For a gaseous molecules, it is more convenient to determine, to calculate the amount of volume instead of mass. To determine the volume is more easier or applicable for a gaseous molecules. And here, instead of mass, we can use the term volume. We can define the molar volume as at STP, that is at standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature means when temperature is equal to 0 degrees Celsius and pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. This condition is called as a STP, standard temperature and pressure. At STP, 1 mole of a gaseous molecules contain 22.4 decimeter cube of volume. ही काय कॉन्सेप्ट आहे? फॉर गॅसियस मॉलिक्युल्स 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 22.4 decimeter cube. Volume दिले की 1 mole of any gaseous molecule contain this much amount of volume. In case of solids and liquids, 1 mole of substance contain Avogadro's number of particles. This is the major difference between molar volume and molar mass. Okay, here we have completed all the concepts of this chapter. All theoretical portion from chapter number 1 आपण सगळ्याचं सगळं कंप्लीट केलं. आता ह्या चॅप्टर वरती जे काही लॉज आपण बघितले, लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन, यावरती कुठलाही प्रॉब्लेम्स तुम्हाला विचारला जाणार नाही, कारण तो सिलेबस डिलीट केलाय. मग आपल्याला तिथे प्रॉब्लेम बघायचे आहेत. ॲव्हरेज ॲटॉमिक मास, देन मॉलिक्युलर मास, फॉर्म्युला मास, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स अँड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. काही एक 4-5 प्रॉब्लेम आता आपल्याला बघायचे. ओके.